Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in cybersecurity with Qualys, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin investing in cybersecurity with Qualys, start by visiting the Qualys website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information to register for a new account. Once registered, log into your account using your credentials. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Navigate to the Investors section in the main menu. Here, you will find essential information about the company's performance and stock details. Review the latest financial reports and earnings releases to understand Qualys' market position. Check the stock price and track its historical performance over time. Visit the news section to stay updated on recent developments and announcements from Qualys. Consider reading analyst reports and expert opinions on Qualys to gauge market sentiment. Evaluate the different investment options available, such as shares or mutual funds. Once you feel informed, decide on the amount you wish to invest. Choose an online brokerage platform that offers Qualys stock for purchase. Create an account with your chosen brokerage if you do not already have one. Deposit funds into your brokerage account to facilitate the purchase. Search for Qualys by its ticker symbol, which is QOYS. Choose the number of shares you wish to buy based on your investment strategy. Review the order details before finalizing the purchase. Once confirmed, monitor your investment regularly to track its performance. Stay engaged with updates from Qualys to make informed decisions in the future. Consider setting investment goals and risk management strategies as part of your overall investment plan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.